In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use parameters in Oracle queries with Power BI. Let's start inside Power BI desktop. Open the report you want to work with, then head to the top ribbon and select Transform Data. This opens Power Query, where we'll create a parameter that controls which department's data we see. In the Home tab, click Manage Parameters, then choose New Parameter. Give it a clear name. We'll call it Target DPET. For the type, select decimal number. That's important because our department IDs are numbers like 10, 20, and 30, and using a numeric type helps Power BI treat the filter correctly. Set the current value to 10, then click OK. You've now created a reusable input that we can plug into a filter, so you won't need to hard code values into your query. If you haven't connected to Oracle yet, click New Source, go to Database, and choose Oracle Database. Enter your server name and click OK. When the navigator appears, select the table you want to work with, say your employee table, and click OK to bring it into Power Query. If you're already connected and see your queries listed, you're good to go. Next, let's bind the parameter to your Oracle data. In the Queries pane, open the query that contains your employee data, often named something like Sheet 1 or similar. Locate the Department ID column. On that column header, click the filter arrow, hover over number filters and choose equals. A pop-up will appear where you'd normally type a number. Instead of typing, look for the small icon to the left of the input box, the one that might show something like 2.5 or ABC. Click that icon and select parameter. The drop down beside it should automatically select target depth since that's the parameter you just created. Confirm by clicking OK. Immediately you'll see the table filter down to rows where department ID equals 10, matching the current parameter value. The beauty of this setup is that the filter is now dynamic. Rather than editing the query each time, you can adjust the parameter's value when you need to focus on a different department, and your query will respect that choice. This keeps your process clean, repeatable, and easier to maintain, especially when you're working with large Oracle datasets. That's it. You created a parameter connected to Oracle and bound the parameter to your department ID filter so your query responds to a single simple control. Thanks for watching.